Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here in the Expobar office. And this machine was brought in because the light would turn on, but it wouldn't heat. We found that there was an issue with the sensor below the water reservoir, which tells the machine that there's water in it, and so it's okay to heat. And so we wired in a jumper, so it kind of always heats now, regardless. And we did a tune-up. We put larger feet on the machine so it's higher. There's also an issue with once the machine was on for a while, the button board would stop working, and that turned out to be a flow meter issue, which we resolved by replacing. And now here it is. It stays heated up, works just fine. So test it. Good. A little hot water. So there's pressure and some stuff. Alright, and everything is right as rain. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.